Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox with a PS4 controller on your iPad. First, ensure your PlayStation 4 controller has sufficient battery life. Next, open the Settings application on your iPad and tap on Bluetooth to enable it. Finally, put your controller into pairing mode by simultaneously pressing and holding the Share button and the PlayStation button for about 3 seconds until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. This prepares your devices for a seamless connection. Once your controller is in pairing mode, look for DualShock 4 wireless controller in the list of available devices on your iPad's Bluetooth screen. Tap on it to initiate the connection. After a successful pairing, the light bar on your controller should turn a solid blue, indicating it's connected. You can also confirm this by checking the Bluetooth settings on your iPad, where the controller will be listed as connected. This step is crucial for game input. Now that your controller is connected, open the Roblox application on your iPad. While Roblox generally supports controllers, specific game experiences might vary in their implementation. Some games offer full controller integration, allowing you to navigate menus and play seamlessly, while others might only support basic movement. It's a good idea to check the in-game settings or the game's description for details on controller compatibility to ensure the best experience. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your iPad and the PlayStation 4 controller can often resolve connection problems. Also, make sure your iPad's operating system is updated to its latest version, as this ensures optimal compatibility with external devices. For the most stable connection, try to keep your controller and iPad within a range of approximately 10 meters. Following these tips will help you enjoy a smooth and responsive gaming session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.